In this video, I will explain how to use your Elsevier account for single sign-on to Editorial Manager. This offers the benefit of a streamlined sign-in experience across multiple journal sites, as well as Elsevier services such as Science Direct and Scopus, with just one set of login credentials. Please note, to successfully use this feature, your Elsevier account email address must match the email address registered on the journal you are accessing through Editorial Manager. If you have not already registered on the journal, you will be prompted to follow instructions on screen. The Elsevier account login method may not yet be available for all journals at this time. If you do not wish to use this sign-on method, you can continue to log in with your usual Editorial Manager username and password. On your journal's Editorial Manager login page, locate the Elsevier account button above the main login options. Click on the Elsevier account button to begin the sign-in process. If you are already signed in to your Elsevier account and are registered with the journal with the same email address, the login window will close automatically, and you will be logged into your journal's Editorial Manager site. If you're not signed in, you will see the Elsevier account login screen. Enter your email address when prompted and click Continue. On the next screen, enter your password. Please note that your Elsevier account credentials may differ from your Editorial Manager credentials. Once ready, click Sign In. Once you have entered your credentials, you will be logged directly into Editorial Manager and taken to the main menu, where you may begin your work in the system. This is how to use your Elsevier account for single sign-on to Editorial Manager. If you encounter any issues when logging in using your Elsevier account, please see our video, Using the Elsevier account for single sign-on to Editorial Manager, Tips and Troubleshooting. Please visit the Journal Article Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.